Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka anatafuta endorsement ya Mwenyezi Mungu peke yake. Am I wondering nasi? Nilisema even when we're in Western, I don't believe in these political debts. I did what I did to make this country better. It did not happen. Goodness me, I am senior counsel, and that is the highest rank an advocate aspires to. How would I have participated in a mock, illegal, unconstitutional oath? How? I would have disqualified myself, because lawyers and all of us swear to uphold constitutionalism. And right from the word go, even when I was in Germany with my sick wife, I told Raila I cannot participate in an illegal oath. However, nilisema you have to look for Uhuru Kenyatta and hold a conversation, dialogue. And that's what I said when I arrived. Kwa hivyo upuzi, wakiendelea tutawaambia uko jamani, and you don't allow attack dogs to go and demean the integrity and the character of national leaders. We will expose you. I repeat, I only seek the endorsement of our Heavenly Father, who is the same yesterday, today, and forever, who took the children of Israel from bondage in Egypt through the Sinai desert to the promised land. And you know, some others didn't make it because walimkasirisha Mungu. That's why he called them stiff-necked people. Or is it stiff-necked people? So wananchi wa Kenya, this is a new dawn ambayo Mungu mwenyewe anaiongoza. That is why I talked of sacred union, because naamini Mungu mwenyewe pastor ako pamoja nasi. That's why we've been talking about singing the wonderful composition by Ruben Kigame, a blind Kenyan with a gift, a special gift of ministry of song.